First thing first, whether the Temu has an affiliate program or not, the answer is yes, they do have. And I have given the link in the description. Once you'll reach that, you will reach this page where they have said it clearly that you can earn substantial commission with their diverse products and exclusive offers, and the new user will get a 500 rupees gift. And the advantage of joining this program is that you will have on your portfolio the exclusive offers and discounts from the variety of products for you to promote. And by doing so, you can earn a commission of 10 to 30% along with the bonuses. And by partnering with the brand like Temu, you will boost your image and amplify your reach. And the influencers are authorized for 10 to 30% of a commission. They can access a wealth of credits for additional perks, and they can also receive rewards for every user download. And if you are a registered website affiliate, then you can get the benefits from the adjustable commissions that match your performance. So you can have that also. For the standard members, again, the commission is 10 to 30% along with bonuses. And in case you are an organization, then you can earn commission not only for the sales they directly generate, but also for the sales generated by affiliates you refer to the program. And again, in this case, the commission structure is adjustable to match your performance. And whenever a user downloads the Temu app through your link, you will get a coupon bundle of rupees 15,000. So how can you join the affiliate program? Number one is that by listing you in the thriving community of the content creator, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. And then you have to share that link, and when somebody downloads the app, you'll get a commission of 10 to 30%.